Hi everyone, meet the DAYONE Touchless Kitchen Sink Faucet with soap dispenser and pull-down sprayer, designed for ultimate convenience. Simply wave your hand to activate the faucet without touching, keeping your hands clean and germ-free. It features 3 modes: broom for fast rinsing, stream for filling pots, and spray for thorough cleaning. The 20-inch pull-down sprayer rotates 360 degrees, covering your entire sink area effortlessly. Made with durable all-metal construction and a stainless steel spout, it ensures long-lasting performance. Plus, the spot-resistant brushed nickel finish keeps your kitchen looking spotless with less cleaning. Enjoy a smarter, hands-free kitchen experience with DAYONE. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.